I just wanted to let everyone know I had Guardian Roofing do my gutters, and I absolutely love and appreciated them. The salesperson was so friendly and so informative and took a lot of time to explain what the gutter system would do. And I got the system that actually is the covered system, the K-Guard, where I won't need to actually clean my gutters anymore. So I'm super excited about that. The crew came and they were on time and they were friendly and they cleaned up after themselves, and I couldn't be happier. We had a huge rainstorm not even a week later, and the system performed amazingly. So I would highly, highly recommend Guardian Roofing.